Hey there, garden friends! Welcome back to Dirt Decoded, Smarter Soil, Better Gardens. I'm the Soil Doctor, and today we're diving into 9 common raised bed garden mistakes and how to avoid them. Whether you're just starting or tweaking your setup, these tips will save you time, money, and a lot of frustration. Mistake 1. Choosing the wrong location. Your raised bed needs at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Don't stick it in a shady corner. Your plants won't thrive. Look for a spot with good light, access to water, and drainage. Mistake 2. Using regular garden soil. This is a big one. Regular soil is too dense for raised beds. Instead, mix compost, peat, or coco coir, and vermiculite or perlite. That combination helps with drainage, nutrients, and root development. Mistake 3. Not lining the bottom. Especially in urban areas, lining your bed with cardboard or landscape fabric blocks weeds and keeps pests from sneaking in from underneath. Mistake 4. Making the bed too wide. Keep it under 4 feet across so you can reach the center from either side. You don't want to step into the bed and compact the soil. Mistake 5. Poor drainage. If water is pooling after rain, that's a problem. Improve your mix or lift the bed slightly using bricks or boards underneath to allow water to flow. Mistake 6. Planting too close together. It's tempting to fill every inch, but overcrowding reduces airflow and causes disease. Give your plants room to grow. Check those seed packets for spacing. Mistake 7. Forgetting mulch. Mulch locks in moisture, stops weeds, and keeps your soil cool. Use straw, shredded leaves, or wood chips to top off your beds. Mistake 8. Skipping crop rotation. Even in a small bed, growing the same crop in the same spot year after year wears out your soil and encourages pests. Rotate crops each season for better results. Mistake 9. Neglecting the soil. Raised bed soil needs refreshing. Add compost, worm castings, or organic fertilizers each season to feed your plants and keep your garden thriving. Avoiding these 9 mistakes can make the difference between frustration and flourishing. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more daily tips from Dirt Decoded. I'm the Soil Doctor reminding you, healthy soil equals a happy garden. See you next time.